Hi everyone, Succulents Box here again, and today we are here to discuss succulent etiolation and, of course, how you can easily fix it as well. What is etiolation? Well, etiolation is a natural response of a succulent or any other plant to light deprivation. This condition usually causes the plants to develop pale yellow colored leaves and as well as abnormal growth patterns, like being leggy, stretched out, or bent in stature as they are desperately stretching for light, which is a quite common occurrence, especially when the succulents are grown indoors. Though the main reason why a succulent becomes etiolated is due to lack of sunlight, its surrounding temperature and the amount of water you give it can also be a factor. The logic behind this is quite complicated, but to make it simple, if a succulent is kept in a warm place and being watered regularly and at the same time doesn't get enough sunlight, it will lead to them to think that it's already time for its growing season. In other words, the plant will produce new growth, and since it is not getting a sufficient amount of light, this new growth will desperately try to survive by stretching out in search of the closest source of light. Unfortunately, etiolation is permanent, meaning once your succulent becomes leggy, thin, and stretched out, it can no longer be recovered. But don't worry, there's still a way you can get rid of the stretched out look of your succulent and make it look compact again. And this is through propagation. To do this, you just have to cut the etiolated part off your succulent using a sharp pair of scissors. Make sure to leave at least 1 to 2 inches on the base with about 2 to 3 leaves so it will still be able to absorb sunlight. Once done, allow both the base and the cutting to dry out for a day or two until a callus has formed before planting the new cuttings in well-drained soil and begin watering them. But if you're lucky enough to catch early signs of etiolation right before the plant begins to stretch, you can salvage it by either transferring it to a sunnier spot or using a grow lamp to supplement the light it needs per day. You can also try tricking your succulent into thinking it's time to enter its resting period by moving it into a cool place at the same time, cutting back your watering routine. This should stop your plant from producing new growth and as well as stretching out. And that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed and found these tips in keeping your succulents tight and compact all year long. We'll see you again next time.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.